Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Click here on app settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on privacy settings. Sorry, we'll go back here. You click here on open the device settings here. So you come to next step, click on notifications. You come to show notifications in app, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean here now notifications, it's disabled with us now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.